Let's have a look at the key criteria for Unit 203, which is establish and maintain effective relationships with others. This is the workbook that you need to be working through for 203. So if you've got the workbook and you're looking through the questions, the key criteria to help you with what is meant by a good working relationship and why are these important. Getting on with your fellow employees or your fellow colleagues is important so that work can get completed. This does not mean you have to like them, but you can work effectively with them and maintain a good working relationship to complete tasks, to meet deadlines. To establish good working relationships, you have to ensure good communication, teamwork, along with supporting and helping colleagues, ensuring a smooth, safe and hard-working environment. This is important because it enables work and tasks to be completed in time and provides a more enjoyable working environment because it prevents arguments and increases work output. It also helps with trust, motivation and good decision making, along with commitments. So, what can you do to maintain a good working relationship with colleagues? Good communication, discuss work hobbies, social life. So if you do have any disagreements, you would compromise on these disagreements. Pulling your own weight, helping your colleagues in the workplace, giving advice when required by just maintaining a positive and polite attitude to all colleagues and treat others as you would like to be treated. So, how would you deal with a disagreement in the workplace? And who would you involve? This again could be completely different in all places of work, depending on your responsibility and your policies and procedures. So, looking at all of the Unit 203, maintain and establish effective working relationship with others. You've always, although we've talked about these, you've always got to be thinking about your own place of work. So, how would you deal with a disagreement in the workplace? And who would you involve? You should really discuss the issue and try to come to a compromise with the person. If a compromise is not possible, discuss with the colleague. And if this does not help, seek advice from your line manager. So that's really the three key points. Some people might have a lower responsibility and have to get the manager involved pretty quickly, but it's best to sort of discuss and try to come to a compromise, discuss with the colleague and then seek advice from your line manager. So what level of responsibility have you got when dealing with a disagreement in the workplace? Really, again, this is to do with your own place of work. What is your level and your responsibility with dealing with the disagreement, and again, probably who you would involve. So again, it would vary depending on your place of work, position, and policies and procedures. So you should recognise and define the problem. And to avoid making the problem worse, gather information to help solve the problem. Help agree a solution and ensure that the actual solution is carried out. However, depending on the disagreement and your position or policies, it may be better just to involve the supervisor or the line manager before it can get out of hand. But again, it all depends on your workplace, your position and your policies. So what is meant by effective communication and why is this important in the workplace? So what is meant by effective communication and why is this important in the workplace? Effective communication is receiving and giving clear and easily understood information in a positive, fast manner. This involves telephone message, obviously at the moment text messages, written communication, information technology, emails, Also, listening to what information has been passed on, and if not understood, make sure you ask questions to avoid any misunderstandings. It is important because it ensures staff and avoids misunderstandings and mistakes, creates a better working environment, and improving output and performance, and also saves time and money.